guys, it is Dani'i and welcome to this updated video on Hurricane Elsa, which is going to be affecting the Greater Antilles as we head into the latter part of the day and going through the early part of the new week. And so guys, before I go into details, Alright guys, and so let us take a look at the satellite imagery of Elsa. And so we're seeing here that it is not looking the very best. So why? The system is battling shear, not because it's in an unfavorable environment, but because it is moving so fast. It is moving so fast that it is literally shearing itself and breaking itself apart. That is why it's not looking so healthy. And so with that said, it has weakened slightly down 75 miles per hour, and it is accelerating to the west-northwest at 31 miles per hour. But regardless, this shouldn't be on persons that are in the watch or warning area to relax measures in terms of preparation. And so we still have a hurricane warning in effect for Jamaica and the southern coast of Haiti and southwestern Dominican Republic. For southeastern Dominican Republic, we have a tropical storm warning, as well as for most of the northern section of Haiti, and for the northern portion of the Dominican Republic is a tropical storm watch. And so we also have a hurricane watch being in place for most of the eastern side of Cuba, and a tropical storm watch in effect for sections of the Cayman Islands. And so it is likely that as we're going to be headed into the latter part of today, going into the very early part of the new week, things are going to be quite interesting to say the least, because Elsa right now has a slight chance to get itself together before it crosses between Jamaica and Haiti, because it is going to be interacting with land there. So it's definitely going to be weakened once it takes that path. And so regardless of its current intensity, which is lower than what it was yesterday, it is still going to be bringing dangerous impacts. Do not underestimate the storm's potential just because it has slightly weakened or because it's not looking so healthy on satellite view here. It still has a little bit of chance to get itself together today, but afterwards it really won't. And so we have sections, we have some convection that's heading off to portions of the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. So those areas, especially in the western section of Puerto Rico, probably experiencing some very heavy rainfall as a result of Elsa. And so we're going to be seeing what happens with the system later today. And so guys, if you're in any of the watch or warning area, please do not take the system lightly. Continue preparations and stay safe, guys, because this thing here could result in some life-threatening conditions. It's likely to result in some life-threatening conditions. And so guys, that is it for this update. And if you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always wear the eyes, and of course I'll keep you updated as time goes by.